What is up, guys? We're back. Another something a little bit new, different. It's a 2024 Mazda CX-30. So we've been doing the 23s, CX-30s, CX-50s, CX-5s. This is the third one where we try it with all the tools, Smart Pro included, which is kind of the go-to machine, especially for any car that requires this outcode, encode thing. Smart Pro is able to get all these things that we're looking for, not that. The error control, serial, part number. Haven't had any luck with any other tool. Doesn't mean there's something I'm doing wrong, but whatever. Now, why am I using this MDRS? Because tried all the tools. None of them can connect with the or get by the security authentication, whatever it is. None of the tools can communicate with the MO in the car on the 24s, CX-50 and CX-30 so far. So who knows? I don't know about CX-5s. I don't even know if they're making those anymore. But anyways, I'm just going to kind of take you through this little process in case somebody else has to do it. Keep in mind, I've only done it a couple of times, so I might struggle a little bit here. As why is the menu? All right, so this is like the DTCs, because you're getting to see this because I just learned the lesson. Clear all DTCs. The lesson is watch out with aftermarket keys on these. I programmed an aftermarket key. It looked right. It worked, but I had the dreaded keyless entry error light. Hold on. That dreaded check keyless, whatever. So I'm not going to make you wait through this. I'll be right back when it's back to normal. All right, so I think it's back to normal. I'm going to go back here. Toolbox. Now, why? Here we are. It is under toolbox, but it's under here. Security and locks. MO. Activating extra advanced key. Oh, why do I have a network? Okay, all right, don't freak out. I like the Mazda software. I like the whole process, the sign in. I'm on a 1 month subscription right now, considering buying the year. Menus, user friendly. Of course, it took me a minute to find this, but like this sort of stuff where, you know, it's telling us it wants the ignition on, engine stop. That's what we have right now. MO registration failed. If you switch tabs, we won't switch tabs. Start, yes. So this is what I'm talking about, right? It's kind of nice where, you know, if we turn the ignition off, right, it tells us it's looking for it to be on, and it won't even let us hit next. Pretty cool. Now the ignition's on, we'll hit next. 2 keys programmed, 2 customer keys. These guys are looking for a third. Now this is where, okay, so 7 minutes. The 7 minutes isn't so bad in this case. Why? Because it lets us enter in all of our information, VIN, outcode here, along with our NASTIF credentials. And what this is going to give us is the encode, which is what this is going to ask us for after this 7 minutes. So I'm going to enter all of this in, and after the 7 minutes, I'll be back. All right, so we're back. I just did all that encode, outcode. And for anybody wondering what the difference is, I think, and I'm not sure about this, but I think on these 2024s, there's 2 outcodes, 2 16-digit outcodes, and then the encode that Mazda gives you is 2 16 digits, so it's 32 digits. I think that's different than than the 2023. I think that might be why some of the aftermarket tools, or part of the reason why some of the aftermarket tools can't do that. I'm not sure about that, just a theory, so I figured I'd say it. The other thing I didn't mention, if you guys are wondering, using the car deck on this one, don't know if any of the other less expensive VCIs will work. As I get more comfortable, I will try it. Now, this is why I was saying I really like the Mazda software. I mean, who does that? Like pictures and everything. It walks you, literally walks you right through this. After pressing the next button, bring only one key into the car. I think I should take the other keys out. Hold on. So, typically that's not necessary, but I just stuck both of the original keys out. I'm going to hit next, brake, and remote up against the button. Ooh, I should have got that in frame. Release the key from the button. I did. That's good. Now it wants the ignition off. Won't let me hit next unless I do. Now it's going to say start the engine or ready on with the Mazda brand up against the start stop button. Keyless function is not activated, so I'm going to put it up against there. Start the engine. Hold on. I don't like that red light flashing. Maybe that was normal. Well, maybe we're not done. I'm just going to hit next. There we go. I think it's safe to say that we weren't done. We don't have the error in the center there. So I know this video went a little bit long, but as always, of course it said no key detected. Sorry. Just want to make sure everything's 100%. Yeah, so anyways, video went long, but this is new to me. I'm sure it's going to be new to some others who want to program keys to 2024s. Once again, 24 CX-30 OEM key. Watch yourself with the aftermarkets, and that's it. Thanks for watching.